There are a couple of ways you can handle your dynamic XPath for your Selenium project. I'm gonna show you guys today. So open your Eclipse first and make a new package make a new class under any package. So I'll create a class, give it a name, dynamic XPath. Click on public static void main, click on finish. Now we got our new project. Now you have to import your browser. I'm gonna just copy from other project. I'm gonna work on Google Chrome. So for Google Chrome you have to import like Chrome driver. You have to download it, and I showed like in my previous class like how you can download and how you can import Google Chrome driver for Chrome browser. Okay, then let's get started. Like that's my first step, to import the browser. Now I want to import like site where I can work on. So type like driver dot get. Now I'm gonna put the URL on there, which site I want to work on. Okay, go to your Chrome browser. I'm gonna work on a site, it's called SpicyJet. So I'm gonna work on this. So just copy the URL link and paste it to your project. Okay. Now what we will do, we'll go to our browser and select the from option, like where the departure. So click on it and inspect this box. So here is the ID is this one. So we're gonna take the ID, enter, find element by that ID. We're gonna copy the ID, whatever it is, paste it here, and we will click on it, dot click. Now after you click on the departure place, what you have to do, you have to select the place. So select the place. So just type driver.findElement. This time we're gonna write our own XPath. By.xpath. Okay, so after you click on it, there are some places like from where you want to go. You have to select from there. So suppose you want to go from Goa, or you want to go from Karachi. Inspect the Karachi, not click on Karachi, click on inspect. Now we're gonna see that we got a value for this this place. So we're gonna take the value of this and we're gonna write our own XPath. So just copy the value of Karachi, and to write the own XPath, first thing what you have to do, put 2 and then put the tag name, whatever the tag is. That's what the tag is A. If it is like input, you have to put input. So basically there is two tag, like sometime A, sometime input. So put A, then put 2 bracket. Inside the bracket type at the rate value, VALUE, value equal to, now you paste whatever you copied. So and then put a put 2 of these, and put semicolon at the end. So we selected the departure place. Now we're gonna take like destination place where you wanna go. So the same thing, just copy it and paste it and change the value from here. So suppose go there, and after you select the place, you have to select from there for like where you want to go, from Karachi to suppose Hyderabad. So right click on inspect, and for Hyderabad the value is HYD. Just copy it and paste it to your project. Okay, so that is how it should work. If you run the test now, that is how like basically we do like for a test. But the thing is like the test is gonna be failed. Now you run the test. Okay, it's clicked on Karachi and it didn't click on Hyderabad. The reason is that I'm gonna show you now why it didn't. Our script got failed. It didn't. Our script, it's supposed to be click on Hyderabad, but it didn't. So why it didn't? Let me show you guys. See, there's the line in line number 16. There's the line it got failed, because if you carefully observe, like those two box, link or box, whatever you say, are like under the same group. See, the div id is drop down group 1, so both of them are in same group. That's why when you type like Karachi, it's pass, and when you type again Hyderabad, it didn't pass because of the same group. So you have to mention like I want the second group, so and then you have to choose like Hyderabad, otherwise it's gonna go back again and click on Hyderabad in same box. So you have to change the portion. So there's the like very tricky part. You have to remember that like if it is like, if you got your text failed sometime, then you like check like is it under same group or same ID. If it is like ID is same, or then check like anything else is like same. If it is same, it's not gonna pass the test. So So the group is like the, see over here is like group 1, both is under group 1. So you have to mention like oh, I want the next, I want to click on group 2, so you have to select on group 2. So to pass the test, what you have to do, you just put a bracket here, and at the end put a bracket here, and like you want to go for the next one, so again 2 bracket and under bracket, like put second. Now I think the script will get passed, because see over here you put this one under a bracket and you want like this, you put 2, so it's gonna go to the second index, and it's gonna check whatever you write like Hyderabad. So right now let's see how it's work. So website got open, now Karachi is got clicked, and see it's now got like Hyderabad got like clicked. So that was the main reason, like this is the first link and this is the second link. So you already, when you choose like the first one, let me go to the, see that's the first one and that's the second one, so you have to mention like you want to go for the second one. But it's like rare case in your project, you will not like get like lot of these like this, but if you get it, like you have to mention like this, go for second. If it is like third option is the same thing, you have to put like 3, the same like 3. So this is like very important thing you guys have to remember, like why suppose you write a code without these 2 and it didn't fail, so think about it like why it got failed, and go back to your like inspection, like where you got inspect the element. If you see like something is similar, that means it's not gonna pass. Sometimes maybe you choose ID and this ID is also contains with the other one, so just check like it's gonna pass, or like is there any similarity. Now I'm gonna show you guys dynamic drop down. Dynamic means like, if you want to explain like what is dynamic, dynamic is like which is not like static, which is like always change. Suppose if you go to the Yahoo page, click on Yahoo, okay, so over here there are some link, it's called home, mail, Flickr, Tumblr, entertainment. Okay, so if you inspect one of these, then you will see like, click on inspect. Okay, so for this I click on Tumblr and it says the ID is this one. Okay, so copy this ID and put it to your notepad. Okay, see there's one ID. Now you refresh your page, cancel this one and refresh your page and go back again and click on inspect. You will get the different ID. So every time you refresh your page and you go back there, and that will be like different, you will get like different ID. That means that is dynamic. So if you just copy the link like ID and paste it to your project, it's gonna pass. It's not gonna pass. It's because it's gonna be changed. Click on inspect. Okay, so I got this time this one. Copy it paste it to your notepad. See, both of them are not same. It's same up to like 70 and then it's got changed. So that is called dynamic. If it is like same, that is called static. So how you gonna handle those dynamic link or dynamic drop down list? I'm gonna show you guys now. So first of all, there is a method, it's called contain, and there is another one, is called like start with. So I'm gonna uncomment those and I'm gonna bring like the Yahoo page on in there. Okay. Go and copy the Yahoo page, paste it to your project. Okay. Now you type, suppose you want to click on after you open the Yahoo page, you want to click on Tumblr. So you have to inspect this and write a customize XPath for this. Okay. driver.findElement by.xpath double colon. So if first of all, if you work on like contents means the two way you can do it. It's like if you choose like contents, you can choose like only like contents Tumblr, and if you want to bring the ID, just like content text, and it's called like Tumblr. And if you want to bring the ID, then you can do it too. So suppose I'm gonna use like content text now. So how you can do it? So if you want to do your own XPath, to backslash and then your tag name, click on inspect. I think tag name is A. Yes, tag is A, not input. So okay, type A, then to bracket. Now type contents. If you want to do text, then first bracket, type and the second bracket, so be easier. So type text text, and then again first bracket and second bracket, then comma. Then what you have to do, put to comma here and paste the what's the text content. So text is Tumblr, so just copy the Tumblr. If you expand from here, you will see a text. Just copy from here and paste it to your project. At the end, you want to click on it, so dot click. See how it works. Let's see how it's work. So right click, run as Java Java application. We're gonna see like it's gonna click it's gonna open on yahoo.com page, and it's gonna click on Tumblr. So using like contents is like very useful than like taking ID or any other like attributes. If you take like, see, Yahoo got open. Now let's see how if it is work or not, like click on Tumblr or not. Okay, it's got clicked on Tumblr. See, Tumblr page got opened. So it's worked. The other way you can do like you can click on start with. Suppose just copy it and paste it here. Just instead of contents, just type like start with. And everything else is same. And why? And over here you have to change, like if you take the ID from here, and you can copy it and paste it here. So some of them are like unique. See, from until 7 it's unique. Every time you refresh your page and bring it here, you will get some unique ID. So just copy the unique thing and copy it and paste like to your project. And instead of it's not text anymore, it should be ID. So it will be ID and beginning at the rate. So that is how you can work with start with, and you can work with the contents thing. There is two way you can handle like the dynamic XPath. Also, like I'm gonna show you one more thing. Suppose those are all links, so if you just click like link text, if you can use like only link text, and you don't have to bother all the thing. If you just use like link text and put it here in your project, and then it's gonna work. Okay, let me show you how you can use the link text. I'm gonna uncomment this, put like driver.findElement by dot link text copy to colon. Now you copy the link the text. Suppose you want to click on lifestyle, copy it, paste it, and then you want to click it. Click. Now let's see it's click or not. So if it is not a link, then you have to use like contains text or start with thing. For the start with things, you have to like copy first couple of letter or word, like unique, whatever is unique, you have to just copy the unique thing and just paste it to your project. It's gonna work. So Yahoo page got opened. Okay, now it's clicked on lifestyle. See over here is the tag says Yahoo lifestyle, so that means it's already clicked. So I think our project got, see over here there is no error. So that is how you guys can use use contents and start with and link text for your project to handle the dynamic drop down. I hope you guys enjoy my class. Please subscribe my channel if you like it. Thank you very much.